how to make a co-host in Google Meet. Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Google Meet. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on New Meeting. And then we're going to click on Start an Instant Meeting. And over here right now we are currently at our meeting in Google Meet. And as you can see here on this pop-up, we would be able to add others to our meeting by simply clicking on Add Others. And just like that, we have someone else in our Google Meet right now. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the Show Everyone option over here on the bottom right. And then as you can see, we have two people in our Google Meet. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots. And if you have more people in your call, you would have the option to choose co-host this meeting. Now right now, I don't have this option because there is only two people in my Google Meet. But if you have more, you would have the option to set this person as a co-host for your Google Meet. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.